If you want to scan QR codes on Samsung Galaxy S25, you have two main ways to do so. The first method, you can use camera. In camera, you can simply aim at the QR code in order to scan it. Once the QR code is detected, then you will see the link over here. You can tap on it in order to immediately open it in the browser, or you can press this arrow on the right side in order to reveal some other options. Besides that, you can also go to the quick settings, and then in quick settings, you might be able to find the QR code scanner somewhere over here. If you don't have it, then you will need to add it by editing the quick settings. So tap on this pen icon in the top right corner, press edit, and then find scan QR code option in available buttons. You can tap on that button in order to add it to quick settings, or you can drag and drop it anywhere you wish it to be and press down twice in the top right corner. So anyway, once you open the scanner, you can do the same thing, just aim at the QR code and you'll once again see the same options. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!